The boy who stopped the river, Bhagirath and the Ganga. A long time ago, there was a noble and determined king named Bhagirath who belonged to the Ikshvaku dynasty, the same lineage as Lord Rama. His forefathers, the sons of King Sagar, had met a tragic fate and their souls could not find peace. To save them, Bhagirath had to bring the holy river Ganga from heaven to earth so that its pure waters could wash away their sins. King Sagar, an ancestor of Bhagirath, once performed the Ashwamedha Yagna, a grand horse sacrifice. As part of the ritual, a sacred horse was sent across different kingdoms. If any king stopped the horse, they had to face battle. However, Indra, the king of the gods, became jealous and stole the horse, hiding it near the hermitage of sage Kapila. When Sagar's 60,000 sons searched for the horse, they wrongly accused the sage of theft. Angry at their arrogance, Kapila cursed them, turning them into ashes. Sagar pleaded for forgiveness, and the sage said that only the divine waters of the Ganga could free their souls. Generations passed, but no one could bring Ganga from heaven to earth. Then Bhagirath took up the mission. He left his palace, riches and comforts, and went into deep meditation and penance for thousands of years to please Lord Brahma. Finally, Brahma appeared and granted his wish. Ganga would descend from Swargalok, heaven, to earth. But there was a problem. Ganga was mighty and flowed with immense speed and power. If she came down from the heavens suddenly, her force would shatter the earth. So, Bhagirath prayed to Lord Shiva, asking him to control Ganga's powerful descent. Pleased with Bhagirath's devotion, Shiva stood atop Mount Kailash and agreed to catch the river in his thick, matted locks, Jata. Ganga, proud and playful, decided to descend with full force, thinking she could wash away anything in her path. But Shiva calmly caught her in his hair, trapping her so she could not escape. For years, Ganga remained locked in Shiva's Jata, hair, unable to reach the earth. Bhagirath prayed again, and finally, Shiva released her in gentle streams, allowing her to flow down peacefully. As she flowed, Bhagirath led the river to the spot where his ancestors' ashes lay. When the holy waters touched the ashes, the souls of King Sagar's sons were purified and finally attained moksha, liberation. Thus, the mighty river Ganga flowed through the Himalayas, the plains of India, and into the ocean, bringing life, fertility, and blessings. People worshipped Ganga as a goddess, and to this day, her waters are considered sacred. The river is often called Bhagirathi, honoring King Bhagirath's devotion and perseverance. Moral of the story is patience and devotion can achieve the impossible. Great things require the blessings of both wisdom, Brahma, and strength, Shiva. The power of sacred waters and selfless service can free even trapped souls. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.